Did you know your heart is always beating?
That's right. It never stops.
Your heart is a very busy organ. It works hard to keep you alive and healthy.
The heart is like a drummer's inside your chest. It makes a thump-thump sound as it beats.
Can you feel your heart beating? Place your hand on your chest. Can you feel the thump-thump? That's your heart working. It's amazing.
Your heart is a powerful pump. Its job is to pump blood throughout your body.
Blood delivers important stuff to every part of you. This stuff is called oxygen. Your body needs oxygen to work properly.
What's the heart's main job?
That's right, to pump blood with oxygen all over your body. It is like a delivery system that never takes a break.
Your heart is right in the center of your chest, below a bone called the sternum. It's about the size of your fist. Clench your fist. Yup, that's how big it is. But don't let its size fool you. It's a muscular powerhouse that keeps your blood moving.
Heart is divided into two parts, each with two chambers. The right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. They pump blood throughout the body.
In addition, here are other important parts of the heart and their functions. The superior vena cava carries the oxygen-poor blood from the upper body to the right atrium, while the inferior vena cava transports oxygen-poor blood from the lower body to the right atrium. The pulmonary artery carries oxygen-poor blood from the right ventricle to the lungs for the oxygenation, and the aorta distributes oxygen-rich blood from the left ventricle to the entire body. The pulmonary vein returns oxygen-rich blood from the lungs to the left atrium, while the mitral valve regulates the blood flow from the left atrium to the left ventricle. The aortic valve prevents backflow of blood from the aorta into the left ventricle. The pulmonary valve controls blood flow from the right ventricle to the pulmonary artery, and the tricuspid valve prevents backflow of blood from the right ventricle into the right atrium.
How are they able to do that? Blood from the vein first gathers in the right atrium. When the valve between the atrium and ventricle opens, blood flows into the ventricle. Then the valve closes to stop blood from flowing back. Next, the right ventricle contracts, forcing to the lungs. Red blood cells carrying oxygen travels from the lungs to heart's left side, which pumps it out to the rest of your body through the aorta.
The whole body gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs to keep you hopping, skipping, and jumping.
But hey, even superheroes need to stay healthy, right? Exercise is very important. When you exercise, your heart pumps faster. This makes your heart muscle stronger.
Eating healthy food is also important. Fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are good for your heart. And guess what? Doctors and scientists are always finding new ways to keep our hearts healthy. From cold medicines to smart gadgets that can track your heart's health, the future is looking bright.
Try this. Take your pulse while resting. Now, do some jumping jacks and take your pulse again. What happened? Your heart rate increased. That means your heart is getting a good workout.
One of the biggest villain for the heart is a heart attack. But don't worry, you can keep your heart strong by avoiding smoking and eating foods with good cholesterol. Think fruits, veggies, nuts, and fish. They are all heart-friendly.
Remember, your heart is amazing. It works hard every single day, so be kind to your heart.
Exercise, eat healthy foods, and get enough sleep. Your heart will thank you.
Now, Who wants to make a fun heart project? You can draw a picture, make a model, or even create a video about the heart. Use your creativity and have fun learning about this incredible organ.